Joining us next is Jane Crawford, who is the president of the Tulsa Garden Club. And Jane, you guys have knocked it out of the park yet again on this tour. It's just fabulous.
Oh, thank you.
So tell us a little bit about what this tour means to the Garden Club.
This tour is very important to us. It's our single biggest fundraiser of the year, and it allows us to fund really important groups, our empowerment groups. We have Up With Trees, New Leaf, and Global Gardens, amongst others.
Yeah, you guys are out in the community helping so many different other horticulture entities in that community also. Let's talk a little bit about the club also. It's open to anybody, correct?
It is open to anybody. We welcome anyone to come and attend. We meet October to June, with the exception of January, in the auditorium here at the Garden Center. And it's free to attend, and we, love for people to join us and learn.
Well, in addition to having fun activities like the tour and many other activities you do throughout the year or events, you also have educational program each month, right?
We do. We have a speaker every month that brings us something new, and that alone is worth attending. We also do flower shows and horticulture shows, which is very beneficial to our members, and that's another way we try to educate the public.
I was going to say, and not only, sharing the information among each other, you guys are so proficient in so many different entities within horticulture, right? You have people that like roses and people that like irises and different things that you're all sharing that in a very social way.
Yes. The Garden Center hosts 16 different plant societies, and we'd like to do our best to work with those societies.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Well, tell us again, remind us of the date and the time of the garden tour, if you don't mind. May 9th?
May the 9th from 10 to 4.
Okay. And people can get their tickets either here at the Tulsa Garden Center or on your website?
On our website, Eventbrite, or on the day. Just walk up and
find the addresses on your website and walk up to them. Awesome. Yes. Thank you, Jane. And I would encourage all of our viewers to visit the Tulsa Garden Club Garden Tour this year on May 9th. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.